I want to start off by just talking about something we don't talk about as much or haven't as much on the channel yet. But there's more and more research on this concept of inflammation and how it's related to our nervous system, and how having these tools to help regulate ourselves makes such an impact on our immune system. Yes, inflammation is a really amazing observation our community's made. Our body has this natural defense system where we've got these sort of signaling molecules. They're called anti-inflammatory cytokines, and our body releases them when it's trying to heal or fight off an infection, right? So if we're sick, if we have an injury, but also if we're stressed. And when things happen, if we're anticipating stress that's causing our body actual stress, if we don't do anything about it, we sort of let it linger, it becomes chronic stress, and it builds up something that we call allostatic load, which is essentially kind of like our capacity to withstand stress is kind of at its like peak, right? It's at its limit, and we kind of live in that place. And when we do that, it creates this waterfall effect that we want to try to spiral up from, right? And so that's a lot of what we teach, in the SPI method, but that is a very real thing. It's been coming up a lot in questions. So techniques that we teach and things we're going to talk about today as well can really help with not needing to have that inflammation in our body to protect ourselves, because there's other things you can do to prevent that from really affecting you.